So, hello and welcome. A little bit different than normally. I have my big painting here. I bought a frame for it, and actually the frame is bigger than the painting. The painting is 60 by 90 centimeters and the frame is 61 by 91.5 centimeters. So a little bit bigger. And then you should think, why don't you buy a frame that is 60 by 90 centimeters? And believe me, I watched for this. I went to a couple of shops and I cannot find anything in that size. So what did I do? I have this double-sided tape, and actually this is, let me come a little bit closer. This is the same tape. I don't know if you can see it correctly. Yeah, you can see it a bit, not that good, sorry. It's the same tape they use to put on top of the canvas normally, but this is just 1 centimeter. So what did I do? I have one line on the bottom part, one line on the top, and I do 2 lines on each side to make it more wide. So without anything else, let us stick those last 2 lines on the other side. So I hope you can see it a little bit. It's not the most easiest part to do like this. It's better to sit on the table. I have my scissor and my tape, and I just tape the first line next to my diamonds, and this is one, and then the second line, up, and that's 2. So now we have 2 lines over here, one on the bottom, one on the top, and 2 of those lines on the other side. So what we are going to do now is, let me get my stuff ready. So I have my tray, my pen, a little knife, but I don't think we use this, and the tweezers. I had grabbed my leftovers 3/10. It looks a lot, but I'm not sure if it is enough. So let us try to start. What I do is I never take too much diamonds in my tray, because if there is too much, and actually for me this is a little bit too much, but if it's too full, you see a lot of diamonds on top of each other, and yeah, it doesn't paint very easy. Let us start here. I'll flip this over. And what's going on here, let me change the camera position a little bit like this so you see it better. There are no squares on this part of the canvas. So now it looks like this. It's not completely, yeah, It's not super smooth and super nice, but yeah, you can see a hole here and there and a line here. But actually it's not really that big of a problem. It's coming on the outside near the frame, so I don't think you see it a lot. It's just to fill it up a little bit. So this is the last part that we still have to do, and when we fill this little row of diamonds, we did the complete circle. Actually, I started with the color 310, that's black, and I did one side and a long side. And then, yeah, of course, my spare parts, my leftovers, sorry, were gone. So I had to look for another color to continue, or I had to use 310s from paintings that I still had to do. And actually, I found this color 939, and actually, I don't see the difference. I think it's really dark blue. Maybe if we put a lot of light on it, we can see some difference, but with the normal light from outside and the light that we use now, I don't see a lot of difference. When I'm done with this part, I'm going to cut the leftovers from the canvas, and then we will try to put it into the frame to look if it's enough or not. And I think I still have to do one line here and on the other side of this painting. Okay, what I'm trying to do now is I put the frame on the table and I put some little pillows under it because the table is smaller than the frame. I just have to cut a little bit on both sides, so let us do this now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray glue the top of the canvas and put his border. Oh, I will also spray glue this part of the board, let it dry a little bit, and then stick it on each other. And then it should be right. So let us do this now. I spray paint no, not paint, glue. Spray glued the back wall of the frame and the back of the painting. And actually, where is it? Here. Yeah, so I did not expect this product to come out. It was more like those confetti spray that you can buy at a store for holidays, for birthdays and other parties. Those confetti spray that you spray and then it's pink or yellow or orange. It was a little bit like this, or like a spider web. And it says in France, glues everything, and then it says neoprene. So yeah, I could imagine that it was a little bit thicker than normal. It says it takes 24 hours to dry completely. You can use it directly on two sides and it sticks directly. You cannot change it anymore. If you have it on your hands or somewhere that you don't need it, you can easily remove it. Stick it together for 10 minutes and it will be fixed forever. Something like this, but we will see. It's drying there on the floor, and after we will continue those two borders on the left and the right side. I will just do this very quickly and give you the end result on the end of this video. So stay tuned and we're going to continue. This is the 9th video and the last video of this big painting. It's done. It's finally finished. End result, super. I'm happy how it looks. In the beginning, if you watch my other videos about this painting, you saw that I was a little bit struggling with the diamonds. They were popping up and doing and flying, and actually on the half of the painting I was thinking, okay, I'm completely done with it. Finished. I continued and till the last moment, just 5 minutes before I framed this, there was a diamond falling off and I changed some diamonds and now it's done. I glue painted on the back wall of the frame. You saw this earlier in this video. I framed it. I make the black border around it because the painting is smaller than the frame. And now it's time to say goodbye. It goes to his new owner, the manager of this hotel, and I hope she liked it, will like it. Actually, she is not from Paris. She's working in Disneyland Paris, but she is coming from America, and I don't know if she will stay here forever. I don't think so. I think she will fly away back to America one day. If she will bring it back to her place or where she is going, I don't know. I don't think so. It's not easy to bring back to America on a plane. Also because it's spray glued on the frame, so yeah, you cannot get it off anymore without destroying it. But I'm happy with it. I'm happy it's gone, and yeah, it's finished. 9 videos long we had this painting, and now it's time to say goodbye. So we are going to continue in our next video with the snow landscape, the 40 by 50, and yeah, that's basically it. I don't have other plans for the moment. I let come some paintings from my own company, one round, one pebble painting and one squares. Actually the square one is the same one we are doing right now with the snow landscape, so I can see the difference between one that I get from a company a couple of years ago and this one from our own. The pebble painting, also my first painting that I'm going to do in pebble stones. Never did pebble stones before, so don't know what to expect. My designer told me pebble diamonds are not as much as the normal color diamonds, So if my designer says so, I believe her. What she said more about this, she said if there is a lot of things going on your painting, like here there is a lot of things going on. We have trees here, we have the reflection in the water, we have this the sky, the different colors of sky, the rooms, the windows, the lights here. That are a lot of details in a painting. And if you have a painting of, say, Mickey Mouse and a white background or a red background, and then the mouse in black, the t-shirt, the red pants with the 2 yellow buttons and his yellow shoes, yeah, that's not a lot of details. That's just 5-6 colors, and that will be amazing in pebble stones. And actually I told her, just send me something that will be nice. So it will be flowers, I think. I have nothing with flowers and it's not something I should buy, but I saw it on a picture and it looks nice. It has a lot of colors, so I wonder how it will be. And the one that I ordered in round stones, sorry, is also from Disney, but not from Disneyland Paris, but from Disney World. It's the castle, a little bit far away, with some water color, different colors of trees, a swan in the water, and then the castle with a rainbow. It's the perfect fairy tale. It's a 40 by 50, so a little bit smaller, so I don't know how the end results will be. In the layout she sent me, it looked nice, but we will see. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching again. Thank you for watching all those videos, if you saw them all. If you didn't see them all, yeah, you can go to my channel and watch them if you want. You can go to my website, it's in the description box below, and you can watch this whole episodes from the beginning on. I have all my videos on my website. I tell you about the different stones. There are diamond stones, the round, the square, the pebbles, sizes, if you want to have a picture with a face on it, what you should do, what you should think about the shadows, about how farther away a person is, how less you will see. And yeah, this kind of information. You can also send me a message online by my website to order your own custom-made painting. So yeah, you can subscribe there to my newsletter, so when I upload a new video or when I upload a blog post, you get an email notification from me. And you can also subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Push the bell button notification, and we will be in contact very soon. So thank you for watching again, thumbs up, and have a nice day. Enjoy your own diamond painting and see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Ciao. Finally done! Het was gewoon even nodig. Even gek doen. Dag.